those who don't know me, my name is Kara. Corey and Darin chose me to officiate their wedding because I'm by far the coolest person they know. In reality, my reasons for being here start with the moment 22 years ago in first grade at Riverview Grade School, when the cool girl in class, dressed in a Harley shirt, baggy jeans, pigtails, fresh sneakers, walks up to the new girl and requests that we be friends. I thought it was a little direct, but I obliged, and soon learned it was just because she wanted to copy my homework for the next 10 years. I didn't know at the time that friendship would outlast any challenge life presented, through all of the celebrations and changes growing up post. Corey, I promise to never take for granted how lucky I am to be your husband. I am so thankful for life with you. I'm thankful that I get to wake up next to you each morning, and if I don't say it enough, I find you absolutely stunning, gorgeous, and beautiful inside and out. Somehow you always make me laugh or smile. Even when I get irritated that you leave every light on in the house, never replace the toilet paper, or make us late to pretty much everything. You love to tell me that I would be so bored without you, because you provide the entertainment in the relationship. And honestly, I won't dispute that. Darin, fast forward 1 year into our relationship, and I can't stand the thought of not living with you and creating a home with you. I don't want to walk into any event and not have you next to me, and I can't hold it in any longer without my emotions exploding, because I want to tell you I love you so badly. I vow to be the best version of myself that you lift me up to be, so that you have a wife that is present, aware, understanding, patient, and locked in on loving you and our family. I vow to cherish you every day and not ever take you for granted. And I vow to always strive for typical, perfect days.
I'm ready, man.
Maybe we'll look back and see how dreams from far that we had all that we could need to be happy. If we could do this different, we will.
I can't cry. Oh my God.
Don't you look beautiful?
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Great day.
It's gonna be amazing. Look at it.
Oh.
Maybe we'll look back and see how dreams from far.
You look so
we could